Oh, hello. Now we're gonna cook rice and vegetables. I didn't put the previews, but what you see right here, ow, it's hot. It's really hot right now. Shouldn't be touching it. Let me get it like this. Let's see. So I put garlic, onions, peppers, red and yellow peppers, and some sausages. And that's what I'm cooking right now. I'm gonna put the vegetables. So I'm getting ready for the vegetables. This is gonna be like a 2-part series. So I'm gonna do now the rice, and later on I'm gonna do like the main thing. It's gonna be fish. So watch the second part. Let me get what I prefer vegetables. Well, it's a lot of vegetables here, but it's tomatoes. What else did I put? Tomatoes. Carrots, corn, collard greens, and broccoli. It's a few of the vegetables that I put there. Let me get one of the sticks. Yeah, this is old school. Not no fancy thing. It's like the thing that I have for my house. The rice. I already cooked the rice. So the rice already cooked. I put salt, some oil, a little bit of what do you call it? I put a little bit of chicken. It's like chicken cube. It's a flavor. And then I put sazon, which gives the color. Just like the color. So right now I'm cooking it. And pretty soon I'll put the rice. It's hot. It's burning. It's burning hot. There you go. That's the rice. Looks yellow. It makes it good. A little rice. Oh, here you go. There you go. I found it. Perfect. Maybe I can put a little more veggies. It'd be good to have a little more veggies. These are leftovers, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. I'm gonna figure it out a little bit. Just a little bit more veggies. Just a little bit more veggies. And it's cooking, and it's cooking, and it's being a good. Oh, I already put salt in it, so it's your choice. So this is the rice. It's already done. I'll plate it now. I'm gonna do the salmon for the next video. So wash it. Let's stop here. Thank you.